how to turn on or turn off new post notification in picture gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on gallery app and click on this menu icon and click on settings. Now in gallery settings, scroll down and click on shared album notifications. After click on shared album notification, so make sure turn on shared album notification button and you will see new post is here. If you want to turn off new post, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see new post is turned off. If you want to turn on new post, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see new post is turned on. You will turn on or turn off new post from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off new post notification picture gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.